Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create your Memoji on your iPhone or iPad. So the easiest way to do this is bring up an app what uses Memojis. So in our instance we'll bring up the messaging app. You don't actually have to send a message, however this is the easiest way to do it. So open up any message, then press into the messaging box, and in the bottom left hand corner you'll see the Memojis, and on the left you'll see stickers. Send stickers you can make from photos, emojis, or your very own Memojis, and press show stickers. So now what you'll need to do is press this Memojis section here and then the plus, and now you can start creating your very own Memoji by pressing get started. Now you can go through all these different options to change the look and style of your Memojis. Once you're happy with the skin, you can then change the hairstyle, then obviously the brows, then the eyes. You can just keep going through, changing everything how you want. And when you're close to the camera, you can see how the emoji reacts to different facial expressions, and just keep going through how you like your Memoji to look. And once you're happy with everything, you can press done in the top right hand corner, and now you can send your Memoji on messages or anywhere what supports them. So that's how to create your Memoji on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.